Sunday fun day, mountain of steel and stuff I collected from my community, just cleaning up. Let's get this unloaded, Grandpa. Thank you so much for coming. I love recycling stuff. Again, Nextdoor app and Google My Business gets this truck filled up. Plus driving around, I got ADHD. I pick crap up that I don't like how it looks on the side of the road in my community. Let's go, Grandpa. We go getting started. But I gotta show you, like, this came from the heavy old stove. It's like cat hairs. Man, how do cat hairs get on the stove? You know how they get there. I don't know if I could live like that, though. Man. Cat hair. No. 1, 2, 3. And boom. Man, I feel for those guys back in the day. Because these stoves, imagine moving them into a multi-story building. This is cat hairs. Maybe that's the theme of this video today. Cat hairs in the stove. Just wow. Here we go. Gonna be Johnny Boom Boom. Whoa. That's crazy. Don't lose the trash can. Keep the trash can and get the small stuff so it don't bounce around. Boom! Gotcha. Some guys will tell me, hey, you didn't take the motors off them. Yeah, I totally get it. It's just only got so much time and space. Bye. I kind of like little speed, little push. Boom. Oh. Cat hairs on the stove. You know, this isn't really that bad of a load when you think about it. It's just, it's not that bad a load because we're basically just, you know, they're big pieces. And I gotta clear this out today because I think I'm gonna be blessed with another appliance clean out at a home. So I said, you know, why move this stuff twice? You know, from the green truck to this truck. Let's just get it done and load it onto this old truck first. Because as you guys know, I kind of use one truck to load up and I use this truck to store it up. And it makes sense financially because then I'll bring in this truck with bigger loads and it'll pay off. And I'm having less trips to a scrapyard, which saves time. And you guys, if you live in LA, you'll see me. I drive. I won't drive this truck on the freeway to the scrapyard, even though I keep things bolted down. I still don't want to ever have anything fly off the truck at all. At all. I don't want to hurt anyone or myself or anybody's property. So then I'll drive home on the freeway with this truck. But this is the truck that I use to to store the metal that I collect, and then when it's full I drive it in. But again, like today I mentioned, it looks like I'm going to have collected some big pieces, so I'll use this truck to store it up instead of throwing it on the one truck and then having to move it again, because as you guys and gals know when you watch these videos, your profit is is going to come subtracted from your cost of owning these vehicles, repairing these vehicles, registration, insurance, fuel, and of course the one thing we never get back enough of is your time. So you want to be aware of all that. And if I don't have to touch the material twice, that's great. Now again, you saw the dishwashers go off with the motors. If I had more time, I'd cut them off. But I'm kind of like a high volume type scrapper, and I'll hear it in the comments, hey, you left that on there. Listen, I'll cut off the brass stuff off a lot of items. So I'll stack that brass and the other valuable commodities that come off stuff. And if I have more time, I'll cut the engines off. But today, I got to get this truck emptied, or else I won't be able to get the next set of product in. And I've got other projects I got cooking in my life. So that's how that works. Anyway, I want to thank everybody for coming along, watching, and if any of my nuggets helped you do your scrap business a little better, I sure enjoy being able to help people. And man, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Sunday at the scrapyard, nothing like it. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Hustle and grind.